We're talking about taxes and what you can do with your refund. As tax season continues, the IRS says it has received more than 71.5 million tax returns from Americans and issued more than 49 million refunds already. The average refund, drumroll please, comes out to around $3,109. CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger is here with us. Good morning, Jill.
Good morning.
Always great to see you. So what are the top three things that you say people should be looking to spend their tax refund on?
First of all, I like to call this the big three because they're the biggest three most important things in your financial life. One is to have an emergency reserve fund that can cover 6 to 12 months of your living expenses.
Okay.
Sounds like a lot, but it's very good.
So how much would you put out of that $3,000?
I'm putting it all to that.
Oh,
and
all
then
of it. Okay.
or if you have outstanding credit card debt or high interest debt, I might split it between my emergency reserve fund and paying down high interest debt.
Okay.
Maybe number three would be, hey, let me put as much money as I possibly can into my retirement account. Those are your big three. Use your $3,100 to try to cover at least those first two and maybe number three.
With an emergency fund, do you recommend putting it in a certain special savings?
Anything that is earning interest. Just to remind everybody, when you got that refund, that was an interest-free loan to Uncle Sam. It's a terrible idea, but you could have been earning 4 or 5% on that money. Instead, Uncle Sam was holding it for you and now giving it back to you with no interest.
So nice.
One of the things I'm thinking about now, of course, is little Celine and college and beyond. Talk to us about a 529 and why that might be a good option.
I love 529 plans to save for college education because the money goes in and you've already paid tax on it, but it grows without taxation until your child or your grandchild goes to college. When the kid takes that money out, there's no tax due. So 529 plans, the ones that are offered directly through your state, they often can have not just that great accumulation without taxes, but some states give you an incentive. They'll say, hey, well, you have a state income tax break when you put money in, so check out your state's plan.
People lucky enough to own a home often have a mortgage, and people who don't like debt will be inclined to maybe pay down that mortgage with a refund. Would you recommend such a move?
Okay, depends what your interest rate is on your mortgage. For those millions of people who have a sub 4% 30-year fixed rate loan, try not to pay down your mortgage. I know it's peace of mind. For those who have like the 6 or 7% loans that have been recently, they may want to start to pay some of it down. But again, those big three, that's your priority.
All right.
I know where you send your child to daycare. You just now saving for that or for college?
For college?
Okay.
I wrote that check a long time ago. Man, I was like, and my wife was like, that's going to be the next 18 years.
Money is gone. Jill Schlesinger, thank you very much. Appreciate it.